Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. This is what I like to call a pot of gold. These are two 2019 All America Selection winners. They are marigolds. The smaller one is the Big Duck Gold. It gets about 15 inches tall to maybe 20 inches, and it's beautiful 3-inch blooms. And I have 3 of them planted around the centerpiece, which is a marigold, the Garuda Deep Gold. Garuda, G-A-R-U-D-A, Deep Gold, and it can get up to 4 feet tall. Now the beauty of these marigolds is, one, lots of blooms. The blooms last a long time. I did very little deadheading, just so you could see that, a couple of the blooms have died off, but they last a really long time. And the Garuda Deep Gold really makes a beautiful cut flower. Look how thick it is, stem-wise. And it's going to last bloom-wise for a long time as a cut flower. You can use marigolds as centerpieces in your garden. This is growing in a 17-gallon metal container. Make sure you put holes in the bottom. You want it to drain well. You never want your plants sitting in water. At about 2 feet, you may need some light staking for the marigolds, but if they're getting into the 3-4 range, you are going to have to do a little bit heavier staking. And that's just a teepee setup of bamboo posts that are holding up this 4-foot marigold. Beautiful gold flowers, two 2019 winners. The biggest thing with this plant when growing in a container is keep it fed. I use a fish emulsion about every 7 to 10 days. Just keep it green and happy. Thanks for watching, and please check out our YouTube channel. We don't run any YouTube ads, we just bring you great garden videos.